It's now or never. It's time to update your business with AI. And if you don't, you're going to be missing out. We're about to be updating our entire business online with AI. This is the exact system that we're going to be breaking down today in today's video. Where should you get your leads now? Where should you send them? How to update your website. The exact method we're going to use to go and automate everything from automated emails to DMs to phone calls to chatbots and more. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links, been doing marketing for the last 10 years, work with over 3,000 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. In my videos, I share my screen, break it down so you can actually copy and paste, work alongside with me and actually build it for yourself. Now, this is video 1 of 12 videos where we're going to show you exactly how we're updating our entire online business to be built with AI. This is going to save us time. It's going to save us money. It's going to allow us to duplicate, and it's going to allow us to hit $1 million months using automation. Now, no matter where you're at in your business, if you need a marketing system, which you probably do, this increases leads by 15 to 30%. So if you need more visitors, leads, and customers, build a marketing plan that looks just like this. Now, at the end of this, we're doing a giveaway where we're actually going to build this for a business. Make sure you comment system down below to get entered into our giveaway. It's going to be worth $10,000 where we're actually going to build the plan for you. Step number 1 is we need to build out the website. What we've done is we have our website here and it's built on a software called Duda, but we have to manually update pages, manually add blogs, and manually update things. What we've done is we've gone ahead and hired a professional designer to give us that brand design. But now what we're going to do is actually use Claude to go rebuild this in Claude so we can automate pages, blogs, and future projects. There's a lot of things that you are going to miss out on when you think about building your website with AI. And what we're going to do is break it down in every single step so there's nothing you forget. You need to make sure that all your links and forms go to a form builder that automatically works, sends you notifications, and automatically follows up. You want to make sure that all your pages are properly synced. Everything's set up and linked properly. You have the proper support, privacy policy, terms and conditions, live chat, and even make sure it's working with your social media. Additionally, once somebody comes through your site, the next thing you need to make sure is connected. And the next thing that we're going to be building is the CRM. Now, once somebody comes in from our social media posts and our advertising, we want to make sure we get them to our website, which is going to be right here. Once they come to the website, we want to make sure that they fill out a form and they get on this email nurture. The email nurture is where you can build relationships and create better conversion rates. Additionally, don't let people just leave your site. Most people leave your site and they never buy from you. Allow them to purchase something with a low cost value. You can get them to fill out a form and you can give them a special offer if they buy right away. But the most important thing here is we need to add them to a CRM. Now, instead of going and using someone else's CRM, what we're going to do is build our own CRM with AI. Now we've got our website and now we have our CRM all connected, working together. No integrations are going to break. Now I'm going to pause right there. We've worked with hundreds of organizations all over the world, custom building their memberships, their communities, their CRMs, and their websites to all work together. Instead of spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, they don't have to do that anymore. We can use AI to build it quickly and build it right for a cost-effective way. And that's why I want you to make sure you check out Automation Links about us helping you build your AI business so you can truly automate and scale. All right, now if you just send somebody right to your website, and if I just say, hey, go to my website and fill out this form, that's only going to be a very small conversion rate. But what we want to do is then set up retargeting ads that then follow up with them. So what we want to do is always set up pixels. So when they come to your site, they're going to hit your site. And then what they're going to do is they're going to start getting retargeting ads, let's say on YouTube. They're going to start seeing different offers. They're going to start seeing your Facebook ads. We want them to start seeing your reviews and your case studies. And we also want them to continue seeing your emails over and over until they finally sign up. Once we're done building the website, which I'm going to break down for you, then we want to make sure we build the CRM so they can automatically get followed up with. And we want to make sure the tracking and analytics is built in. Once you log in, everything's in one place. You should see how many users, how many visitors, how many people signed up for your CRM, how many people purchased, and of course, what your true revenue and return on investment is. That way, you're not just building your business blind. Then you can decide, hey, do you want to manage all of your users in one place? Do you want to have courses and memberships? You need to make sure you're adding blogs. Do you want to have a community where you can build better relationships? And then from there, are you going to allow people to use your software or use your business, or are they just going to use it as a brand play? That's totally up to you. The next thing you need to do is make sure you're connecting it all with social media and your ads so you never miss out on the tracking there. And that's where the next piece of this puzzle comes in, is having proper analytics and tracking. You build your website and then you connect and sync your CRM exactly how you want it. Then you want to make sure that you have all of the tracking in place so you can see the true analytics. And then you need to make sure that there's retargeting in place. What I want to be able to do is when I log into my business online with AI, you can actually build all of this right in Claude, which we're in the process of doing. You want to be able to go see all of these leads, exactly where they came from, and the true attribution. Right now, that's really hard to do. You need to add 4 or 5 different softwares together to actually make this work. But what we're going to do is build it with the website and with the CRM so we can track every single thing. Now, some things you usually are going to forget about with the CRM is you need to manage and update all of your contacts so you can see who, what, and where all of your contacts are, what they did on your website, what actions they took. So we're going to be building this out so you can see every single step your contacts take. You also need a conversations place, somewhere where you can see all of your DMs, your comments, your emails, and your text messages all in one place. You also want to make sure you track your pipeline so you can see where all your new leads are and exactly where they're at in the funnel. And last but not least, you want to make sure you set up automations and workflows so you can automatically follow up. Now think about what you have right now. You have your website and you've got some forms. What happens after someone fills out the form? Do you even get notified? Do they get an automated email? Do they continue to get emails that encourages them to open and follow up? Are they going to respond and are they actually going to buy? Or should you create a welcome series that builds that relationship and allows you to continue following up so they never forget? And that's what we're going to be building, is a true follow-up system. Our AI agent and our emails are all automated. Next is you want to have an AI agent. An AI agent can do many things for you. It can answer the phone for you in the middle of the night and book call. It can be a live chat on the bottom right of your website. It can even write social media posts for you. It can send back emails, and it can even give you notifications based on the behavior. And that's what you want to do, is you want to be able to go look at any of these users and look at the full behavior of them, what pages they visited, what they were doing on your website, and exactly what they were interested in. So that's the next thing we're going to build out. We're going to build out our own AI agent that is truly trained on our business. And that's what you should be doing as well. It should be knowing everything that's on your website, all of your FAQs. It should have all of your emails. It should know all of your YouTube videos. That AI agent should know everything and be fully trained. Wherever you use it, whether it's a live chat, a phone call, a text, or an email, it speaks and talks exactly like you, not AI. Additionally, we want to build out our own chatbot. So if we want to go in here and write social media posts, it's already fully trained and it can easily know exactly who we are based on our brand voice, other copywriters, and exactly what type of message we should be writing. Does somebody even know about us yet? Are we following up? What's the best way to write this so it truly comes off as you and your brand? The next thing is checkout pages. A lot of times you have to use other software like Samcar or like Shopify or Stripe to send custom invoices. But what we want to do is we want to have true, realistic checkout pages. That's what's going to increase your conversion rates when somebody can be on your website and check out without having to leave. So what we're going to be building is embedded checkout pages that not only work in your website, sync with Stripe and PayPal, but also go into your tracking and analytics so you can track every single payment. And that's how you're going to truly be able to scale. You're going to be able to see all your traffic sources, all of your expenses, all of the revenue from all the checkout pages here, and then the full summary of how many visitors, leads, and customers you got so you can truly measure your return on investment. Now, what we do is we implement a team of experts that build your business online with AI, but then they also monitor it to make sure it's working, all for the price of just one employee. You can get 10 experts to do the same thing you would pay one person in-house to do, to actually use AI to build this out, building it out from the marketing to the social posts, to the website, to the form, which I think is important, to the checkout pages, to the emails, to the CRM, to the live chat, to training your AI bot, to setting up retargeting ads, to SEO, and more. That's how you're truly going to be able to scale, is by building the system, but then tracking it so you know it's working. Then you're going to want to continue spending more so you can keep making more. And that goes into my next step, is making sure that you have social media synced. Social media is a chore, but you need to make sure you have an AI in place to go and create your website blog, your YouTube description, your video shorts, your articles, all of these social media posts. You need to be able to go and sync and schedule it. That's the next thing we're going to be building out, our social media integration. So it links it all together. That way, when somebody comes to your website, all they have to do is click and follow you on social media, but then also you or your team or your agent can go create a social media post and it goes out to all these channels. What we want to do is make it easy for them to go to a calendar, schedule out content, get it approved, and come back and see the true analytics. They know if it's working or not. The next step, do you want a membership? Do you need a community? Do you need a member login? Up until now, you've had to have a whole different software and spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to build that, or hours and hours and hours to connect it and work it. What we're doing is we're building our website, our CRM, our email automations, our AI agent, our social media connections, and now we're building a membership and community that any one of our clients can easily create an account, be in our dashboard, and be in our community so they can see our latest updates. They can ask for support. They can ask questions. They can see our latest videos and our help desk. They can feel like they're actually part and getting updated on a consistent basis. Now, whether you need this or not, it's a great thing to have your entire business automated with AI like this. But then if you ever want to add this in the future with just a few prompts and or our team building it for you, we can do it quickly instead of spending hundreds and thousands of dollars to do that. Last but not least is SEO and making sure this is actually done properly. Once we build this whole template and we have all of our systems and all of our marketing in place, there's multiple things we don't think about when we build with AI. What about the SEO? Is it going to be built properly with SEO? We show up on Google in the search rankings. What about AI SEO? Is it going to actually show up in ChatGPT? What about blog posts and YouTube videos embedded to continually increase? What about new pages like service pages and about pages to help grow our rankings as well? What about connecting with all the Google accounts like Google Analytics and Google Search Console? This is all going to be built in. We're going to build this all out to make sure we never miss out on any of this. Some other things you don't think about to make sure that you have all of the proper cookies. If you do retargeting ads right here and you do your advertising on all these channels, that they accept cookies to be retargeted. Terms and conditions. If you sell anything with your e-commerce store, making sure you have a return policy and all of the privacy policies needed. Making sure you're ADA compliant, making sure that all the URLs work, making sure your website rankings don't drop from all the years you've been building to when you update and transfer it. Making sure you have newsletters synced up and that you're scheduling and that you're live chat and that everything basically works. And that's why we're building this in public, to share with you these 12 videos over these next 12 weeks, 90 days of what you should not forget to do. You're going to be tempted to go use a software to build this quickly, but you're going to forget all of this. And I want to make sure I share every single step with you. The next video we're going to be making is showing how we're going to build the website right here in Claude. We're going to use Claude, build our website, and then the next step would be building and integrating the CRM. Make sure you comment system down below to be entered into our giveaway for our team of experts to build this all for you to truly automate. We're going to be doing it at the end of these 90 days. We're going to give it away worth $10,000 to a business that we choose in a random drawing. Now, if you need any help with this, make sure you reach out on our contact form down below. Our team can truly automate and update your business to AI ASAP faster than ever, so you can truly and finally get results and also do it and build it the right way. And if this video brought you any value, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel here. And if you want to continue watching this series of 12 videos showing how we're updating to AI online, check out this playlist here. We're going to break it all down for you step by step so you can copy and paste, learn from us, and actually do it the right way. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.